Reimagine manufacturing and its impact on our daily lives when people, processes, and technology are working in harmony. Smart factories and the smart products they produce can drive opportunities for increased efficiency and new business models. Welcome to the Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing, designed to securely connect devices and data, people, and business processes to enable manufacturers to operate safer, smarter, and more cost-effectively. Minimize supply chain disruption by connecting customer, supplier, factory, and market data to optimize planning and execution and manage the complete product and service lifecycle of sustainable products. Transform the way frontline workers build, sell, and service products. Equip them with the skills and tools to keep up with the complexities of digital manufacturing and new service experiences that increase customer satisfaction. Design, simulate, and validate products powered by scalable, on-demand high-performance computing, or HPC. Reimagine manufacturing digitally engineered with industrial metaverse solutions and powered by connected devices, AI mixed reality, and digital twins. Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing. Together with our manufacturing partner ecosystem, we can manufacture a more resilient and sustainable future.